Designed to deliver the perfect baking experience, this latest and advanced Faber OTG 34L, which packs more goodness than most traditional ovens. Keep the box horizontally on an even surface. Use a knife to cut the tape on the top, keeping safety in mind. Take out the Faber OTG and keep it safely upside down. Remove the plastic sheets and thermocols and keep the OTG properly. Faber OTG comes with a tempered glass cool touch handle. It is made up of special steel with coating. The thermostat range is between 100 to 250 degrees Celsius. The accessories that come with this OTG are the baking tray, wire rack, tong, rotisserie handle and rotisserie set. Plug in the device and set the timer. The indicator light switches on. The control panel has a function control, temperature control, selector, indicator lamps, timer. Using upper and lower heated coils to cook meals and thermostat to control the temperature, this OTG ensures the food is cooked and heated properly. One can broil, bake, grill or use the rotisserie function as per the cooking need. The indicator lights go off when the dish is cooked. Use the tongs or gloves to take out simmering dishes and relish it. What are you waiting for? Bring home this advanced, technologically superior and multifunctional OTG for all your cooking needs and enjoy baking, toasting and grilling as a superstar chef.